Hi there, my name is Jussi from the Suunta.ai team. In this video, I will showcase how the strategic survey tool works. So what we built is a smart surveying tool to support you in gathering information for your strategy work. This can be used to survey your own employees, your investors, your customers, your value chain. We have some organizations that have a wide network of other stakeholders, and they've surveyed hundreds of people with this tool. Well, what the tool will do is that you'll give it a target. I want to find out this and this to support my strategy. Then it will start generating AI-based questions. It will ask each of the respondents, what's their role to the organization, so that then it can tailor the questions accordingly. So you can imagine that the chairman of the board will receive different kind of questions than, for example, a employee or a customer representative. But anyway, I'll show you how it works. So you first go to the strategy section, click survey, and then you start creating first survey. I want to do a business plan 2026 feedback. Find out what my investors and founding team think of our current business plan and how would they improve it. There we go. And this is going to be, here you can choose, if it's only an internal one, then you need to have people who are using the tool. A public version where you can have a link. In this case, I'm not going to be allowing anonymous responses. I want to know who said what. I can add a question. I can add fixed questions here if I want to. For example, here on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate the readiness business plan? The tool will ask this from everyone. But then the rest of the questions it will generate with AI, and I think I want to do a quick and short survey, so I'm only going to do 4 AI-based questions. Next, then I can enable AI chat for respondents, so they can ask, for example, if the question they need some information about the company, for example, how much was our sales last year? They can ask that during the survey. I'm not going to allow multiple submissions, and yes, I want to know who they are, kind of a bit about who they are, so that they can kind of ask. Tool will ask them. There we go. This is ready. Let's take this away. This is ready. And now I think I'm ready for publishing. So publish, I'll get a link, both internal and public. This public link can be shared with anyone. Let me show you. This is how the link will then look to the respondents. So they can tell a bit about themselves. I'm the management, my job title is founder. And then next, on a scale of 100, business plan, I think we are there, but not yet. Now the questions are in Finnish. As the tool is in Finnish, you can change this in the settings and so forth. But then here you can go on and start answering questions. And on the right hand side here, you have an AI tool to support you. How about then the analysis side of things? So once you have your survey out, you're getting in responses, you can go to the survey analysis section where you can start to see that, okay, in this case we only have 2 answers, but think of you having hundreds and hundreds of answers. You can see the individual responses and a kind of a numeric analysis here. You can see how many text answers you've gotten. You can view them individually. You can go in and see individual answers. You can download this as CSV if you want to. You can change your audiences. You can do this by segments. But the most powerful thing is that you can have the AI to summarize this for you. Think of having hundreds of answers from different segments, different viewpoints. The AI can then start to summarize the files material for you. You can get a quick summary from here, and then you can go into the AI chat to even go deeper. For example, tell me what our investors think of question 3, and then you kind of will play around with that. Very, very powerful way. And all of this will form a context for your tool. So this will be part of the context later on, and it will be part of the understanding. This is the survey tool of Suunta.ai. If you're interested, go to Suunta.ai to test it out or reach out to us. Thank you for listening.